So listen to this. The other day, Moderna stock closed up 177% in one day. Not because of earnings beat, not because of a buyout rumor, on a clinical trial success. In just one day, the company became worth billions of dollars more than the day before. All because they passed a giant test. They proved that a medicine that they are making actually helps fight a terrible sickness called cancer. But what if you missed out on this big win? Well, today we're going to look at a completely different company, much smaller one called Aduro Clean Technologies. They don't make medicine. They recycle plastic using water. But they are getting ready to take their own version of that exact same giant test. So let's break it down to show you how it works. You see, to understand this, we need to talk about how new inventions become real products. When a science company wants to make a new medicine, they can't just sell it right away to the people. They have to do 3 giant tests, which scientists call phases. Phase 1 is the small test. You try medicine on a tiny group of people just to make sure that it is safe. It's like making one personal pizza to see if the dough tastes okay to your family. Phase 2 is the medium test. You check if the medicine actually works on a few hundred people. It's like a few large pizzas to a party to see if your friends like the toppings. And phase 3 is the super test. This is the final exam. You have to give the medicine to thousands of people to prove to the government that it is totally safe and it works better than anything else. So it is like opening a giant pizza factory, making 10,000 pizzas for a packed sports stadium, and making sure every single slice turns out absolutely perfect and delicious. You see, last week, Moderna passed their phase 3 super test for a new cancer medicine. Investors went crazy and bought the stock because the mystery was gone. The science actually worked. Now, let's look at our second company, Aduro Clean Technologies. You know, I've been making content about Aduro for about 4 years. Like I said, they do not make medicine. They are in the clean technology business. They invented a way to recycle plastic waste into the ingredients that plastic was made from in order to make new plastic, so plastic circularity. Big deal. Big deal. You see, right now, the world has a massive plastic pollution problem. So if Aduro's technology works, it could change the planet. But just like Moderna, people on Wall Street are hesitant. Investors are asking, okay, sure, your technology works in a small laboratory, small pilot, but does it work in the real world? Does it work on a massive scale? Aduro has already passed their small tests. They built a mini machine that proves the chemistry, that proves that the chemistry works. But now they are facing their own version of phase 3 trial, or the super test. You see, Aduro's super test is called building a first of a kind facility, a FOAK. So instead of testing medicine on thousands of humans, they have to build a giant factory-sized machine in Europe that can recycle tons and tons of plastic every single day. If the giant machine works perfectly, they pass the test. And they aren't doing it alone. Just like Moderna teamed up with another huge medical company to finish their trials, Aduro just teamed up with a massive global engineering company called Saipem. Saipem is famous for building giant industrial projects all over the world. They are going to help Aduro build their dream machine. If this machine succeeds, it proves to the world that Aduro's technology is ready for prime time. But hold on a minute, because investing in companies that are taking these big tests can be very dangerous for your money. Think about it. What happens if you fail the final exam? If a medicine fails its phase 3 test, or if Aduro's giant recycling machine breaks or doesn't work at scale, the price can crash instantly. Small companies can run out of money before they can even finish building their projects. But if Aduro succeeds its phase 3 test, the super test, well, then the upside for the stock is massive because the total addressable market is in the range of $300 billion, while Aduro market cap is only about $500 million. Plus, Aduro's technology is more than just plastic recycling. It is a platform technology that can disassemble hydrocarbons. So, consequently, the technology has applications in multiple verticals, such as upgrading heavy crude oil, renewable oils, recycling of tires, and other verticals that we don't even know about yet. So, what's the big lesson here? Well, whether a company is trying to cure disease with medicine or trying to save the environment with water chemistry, the biggest rewards happen when a company transitions from imagination to reality. Moderna just did it. Aduro is trying to do it next. So, what do you think? Would you rather back a company making new medicines or a company building giant recycling machines? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel for more content, and see you next time.